It's Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza and Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
Life is a Highway, music coming from Rascal Flatts. That song brought to you by TAC and Bingo Pot.
Hi, we are the students of Westfield International School, and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 8945 Subic Bay Radio.
Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome back. Final stretch of this radio show. We still have time to bring you another latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. Naku, last na. Bilis na oras, no? Okay. But before I give you the latest from in and around Subic Bay Freeport, ayan, shout out muna sa mga kaibigan natin. Sila Maldi Barreda, Maricar Barreda, Nino Barreda, Tom Barclay. Biglang naging Barclay from Barreda to pero puro B pa rin. And sabi niya sa asawa niya yung nagpapabati, hindi ko asawa. Nasa California, si Kuya Rick Barreda. Ayan, our dear neighbors. Thank you so much for keeping us in the background. Kaya lang sadly lilipat na no. Syempre na mag-abruden. sabi nga nung kaibigan kong Ilocano, abruden. Akala ko kung ano yung abruden, mag-abroad pala, parang gano'n. Para ibig sabihin. But yeah, it is what it is. So you guys stay safe, ha? Ingat kayo and stay in touch. Magkakaibigan tayo. Hindi lang naman kayo tenant or kapitbahay. Kaibigan namin kayo, ha? The Barreda family and everybody. Ayan, again, Maldi, Maricar, Nino, Tom. Tokayo ko ha, Tom. And si Kuya Rick, who's in California. Uy, kamusta ang California? Maaraw pa rin ba? Alright, so ingat po kayo doon ha, sa pagluwas, pagbiyahe. Alright, have a safe flight. Okay, and moving on with some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. We have this report from Zambales Herald, okay? As part of its commitment to social justice through improved land administration, the Department of Environment and Natural Resources here recently distributed land titles to residents of Barangay Baloganon in Masinloc, Zambales. This is in Masinloc, Zambales, huh? Okay. Regional Executive Director Ralph Pablo stressed that the titling on wheels initiative is being implemented to expedite the processing and issuance of public land patents to qualified beneficiaries, allowing the department's frontline service more accessible to the public. All right? He said this land titling program will ultimately lead to economic progress by providing security and increased productivity of the people. Marife Castillo, provincial head of DENR Zambales, reported that 10 residential free patents of land or land titles covering 58,625 square meters were distributed during this activity in Masinloc, Zambales. And since January of this year, the DENR has already distributed over 1,400 residential and agricultural land titles covering over 600 hectares of land in Central Luzon. All right? So that's the latest piece of news for you. We have this report from Zambales Herald. DENR rolled out Handog Titulo program for Zambales residents. Okay, and here's the latest update from our friends at SBMA Ecology Center. All right, as you guys all know, the Recycling Day in Biniktikan, which was supposed to happen last September 7, last Saturday, was canceled due to inclement weather. Pero ito na, tuloy na. Wag lang ulit babagyo. Sabi nga, they will be back on September 14 for your recyclables. Everyone is welcome. Ayan, lahat po tayo ha. Even though it's gonna be held in Biniktikan, pero lahat tayo pwedeng sumali sa recycling program na to. Okay? Join us September 14, 2024, 9 to 11:30 a.m. at the vacant lot beside Gobstopper, Biniktikan. for Recyclables Collection in partnership with Fuchi Trading and Tetra Pak Philippines. So bring your used beverage cartons and other recyclable materials. So don't forget to clean and dry them before putting in the recycle bins. Okay, so let's segregate our waste for a zero waste and carbon neutral Freeport. Yan. Okay, so again, it's gonna be happening. Recycling Day in Bidiktikan, September 14, 2024, Saturday, rescheduled. Okay, 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. All right, so there you have it, the latest from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. So final set now of invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. All right, experience awesome. Join us. Marketing manager is needed at the SM City Olongapo Downtown. Yung mga gusto pong mag-apply, well, apply now. You can simply go there, apply directly. Pwede naman. All right, visit SM Downtown, okay? And bring your resume with you, your application form. And Ari Beauty and Spa is now open at the SM City Olongapo Central, okay? Yung mga gustong magpa-beauty. Ari Beauty and Spa is now open at the SM City Olongapo Central, okay? And Kabayan Day Tuesdays is happening. Every first Tuesday of the month is Kabayan Day for all of you Kabayan card holders. Simply bring your BDO Remit card and enjoy additional 10% off on affiliate stores. Okay, Kabayan Tuesdays, brought to you by BDO Remit and SM Malls. Inviting everyone to attend the Sunday Mass, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Sunday Mass at SM City Olongapo Central. Ground level, once again, just beside the Starbucks branch there, okay? And lastly, let me give you the lineup of movies. Ayan, what's showing at all SM Cinema here in the city of Olongapo for downtown and pati na rin, of course, Central, SM Central Cinemas. All right? Lineup of movies for you. What's showing right now? First up, we have the movies that are showing for SM City Olongapo Central Cinemas. At Cinema 1, Beetlejuice. Cinema 2, 40. Cinema 3, Haunted Universities. Back-to-back with The Cursed Land. Part pa rin to nung last August exclusives. Movie exclusives, 150 lang ang ticket. All right? At Cinema 3. Ayan. Haunted Universities and The Cursed Land. Cinema 4, Afraid. Cinema 5, Unhappy For You. Cinema 6, Unit 2, 3, 4, back-to-back with The End of Days. All right? And for SM City Olongapo Downtown Cinemas naman, we have Cinema 140, back-to-back with Unhappy For You. Cinema 2, Beetlejuice. And Cinema 3, Haunted Universities and Unit 2, 3, 4. All right, so there you have it, the lineup of movies for you at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check it out. Those are what's showing. Buy your tickets. You can buy your tickets early if you want to. All right, buy them online. So final song for this radio show. That's all the time I have for this radio program, this edition of The Morning Brew Show, September 9, 2024, 999.9. Thank you for keeping me company. Maraming salamat po for joining. Huh? All right. And stay safe, everybody. Keep yourselves dry. Umiwas muna sa yakapan dahil yung, di ba, we had Mpox and well, COVID is also still around. So stay safe. Layo-layo na lang, mas maganda. Oh. Kaya lang pagsakay mo ng jeep, sinisiksik talaga ng gusto, no? Oh. Sabi, isa pa. Sabi ko, yung katabi ko po, nasa noo ko na yung baba. Anong isa pa? Saan siya? Anyways, our final song for this radio show. Here's Snow Patrol with the song You're All I Have. With this song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Enjoy the rest of your 9-9 Monday 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.